In Pholoni and Singhason, how far has development reached? Karbi Lamet Amai Nihang Donsuri Zone concludes second monsoon poetry meet on 23rd July. One drug peddler arrested at Bokajan, contraband seized by Borpathar police station.
Jinthong Ronghang High School near Denarong Town under Numati constituency with science, commerce and arts streams. Facilities provided in schools are smart TV facilities in every classroom, CCTV system in every single classroom. For more details, contact 70025 92771. The Niswar Theron, headmaster of Jinthong Ronghang High School.
Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time with Margaret Terangpi. Now the news in details. Empty vessels make the loudest noise. One does not need to appreciate oneself, but rather it's better to let people appreciate you with your service. The Karbi Anglong team of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in every meetings and press conferences has said repeatedly that the BJP after coming to power has brought development all around the corner. But look at this visual. Would you call this a sign of development or backwardness? In case you're wondering, this is not an old video. This happened today. This incident happened today at around 10 a.m. in Binhum Thonsing Ronghang village under the constituency of Pholoni and Singhason. The people of the village had to carry Mensing Milik to the hospital. Not just lack of hospital in the nearby area, but also the lack of road to bring him by an ambulance to the hospital at Manja made the people to carry him. The people of Binhum found no one with them despite the government promise to be with the people. Where are the people for whom the people of Binhum voted and when they desperately need them? With no roads, clean drinking water and hospital who'll bring change to their cause. It's been 40 years since the establishment of Binhum Dhonsing Ronghang village, but the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had been turning a blind eye to them, says the people.
Binhum Dhonsing Ronghang arong pen kisu kaciman inglong arlok pe je ipen nilitum rong isi rathur pak edoni nut pen si kisu ciwan pono non nilitum malang lipan adak manja hospital along aton tadu siku ngasi nilitum hadak si cepon gi pan si non bor pono pen nilitum kedu ladakan ningkan ke banangat han ningkan tikebat dulu pusake sar tum nang khan sitami piniar ni si sita nilitum han sorkar ahin pen kirap nontuan ta ajat ason ta thek iklong nila ali gabe ajo ini pen sinili tumla ane ki sunglo gaduk kwiarat sita thek long prong lo bon sita arleng the tum sita nili tumarong heta mai meeting ke bang heta thek kang long lo sita me non puta nang panungku ka son sinili tum thek ponong.
What's not been able to done in the last 5 years, if Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pays more heed to the places with no water, road and electricity, then it will make the life of people better. Dirchuna Rongpi's report from Pholoni, Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Lamet Amai Nihang Donsuri Zone concludes second monsoon poetry meet on 23rd July at Bokajan Sports Association Auditorium Hall, Bokajan. The event was started at 8 a.m. with a memorial service led by Dakwam Rongpi in presence of Dr. Numal Momin, Deputy Speaker, Assam Legislative Assembly, was done to honor all the departed literatures. The second monsoon poetry meet was chaired by Tukeswar Terang and the introduction of the guest was done by Samprikimi Phangcho, General Secretary, KAL and DLA. Surjay Rongpar, EM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended the event as the chief guest and Barem Ingti, President KLA, Padmashri Dhaneshwar Ingti, Longki Timung, ex-speaker, Jeevan Chandra Pathak, ex-EM, Ram Singh Togbi, Joy Singh Togbi, General Secretary, KLA, Jitu Phukan, AJYCP President, KADC, and many dignitaries attended the event. Souvenir Donsuri Alir Alokimo was opened by Padma Shri Dhaneshwar Inkti. As many as 40 poets from across the district had participated in the poetry competition, and more than 50 poets had recited their poems at the event. The winner of the poetry competition was awarded with a prize, and the winner of the competition are as follows. First place goes to Sonjoy Bey from KAL HDP branch. Second place goes to Rupsing Tokbi from KAL Hanjang Langso branch. Third place goes to Homaira Bepi from KAL Bokajan branch. 5 consolation prize were also given to Burasing Ronghang from KAL Dongka Chingtu branch. Dhoniram Teron from KAL Inglongpo branch, Birendra Rongpi from KAL Horichand Sarpo branch, Sorjon Bey from KAL Tarkong branch, and the last but not the least, Indrajit Teron from KAL Rongthelu branch. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another incident of drug seizure, Borpotar Police Station apprehended one drug peddler at Bokajan and seized 20 soap case boxes of suspected heroin from his possession on 23rd July. On 23rd July, acting upon the specific intel from its sources, a special Naka was set up at Kakrajan under Borpotar Police Station in Karbi Anglong by OC Borpotar SI Dipen Barua, SI Biplop Das, ASI Bidya Boraha, ASI Hussein Ahmed Laskar, C20 CRPF Bokajan Camp, and Borpotar Police Station staff. At about 6 p.m., a bus bearing registration number AS01GC5833 was intercepted in suspicion of boarding illicit drugs with it. The bus was rigorously searched and recovered 20 soap boxes of drugs weighing 275.81 grams of suspected heroin from the bus. A person named Santosh Thapa, son of Gaj Bahadur Thapa, village Dilai 12 Mai, Police Station Dilai, District Karbi Anglong was arrested. Drugs were seized under the physical supervision of John Das, APS, SDPO, Bokajan. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.